My name is Jeffrey Morgan. I represent myself. I am against this bill. This bill also is the Civil Rights Removal Statute revisited. It was actually begun, I believe, in the Civil Rights Act of 1866. It provided for the removal of cases from the state to federal courts in certain enumerated instances where Congress feared the abridgment of certain specific rights. This is a right of the citizens. This was also reaffirmed, as far as I am aware, in the 1964 Civil Rights Act. There is a law article in Duke Law Journal of 1967 called Federal Jurisdiction, the Civil Rights Removal Statute Revisited. Personally, that is a very difficult article to comprehend, and I will not claim to be the one the best to defend this, discuss this. But I also question then, too, whether the members of the committee here, and I don't mean this with any disrespect, whether that is something that you also could even actually address. It's a very complicated issue, and I believe it would be a deprivation of civil rights. I also want to mention one other thing very quickly here. I work for the executive branch of the federal government, and in my position, I am guided by 14 general principles of ethical conduct, and I will pass these out. But two things that I really have to look at every time that I am engaged with something is there a conflict of interest? And that would be the conflict of interest that would prohibit me participating in a matter that would increase to my financial gain, the financial interest of myself, my spouse, my child, and also anything that would question the impartiality of my duties. And I know this because I've had to actually give a request to my supervisor to say, am I still okay with this because of something that happened a long time ago with an individual that I knew? Am I in any way compromising my impartiality, or do I have any conflicts of interest? And I guess the same question that I would have here, and again, I mean this with all due respect to everybody here. There's a few people here that are divorce attorneys. One has a law firm. And I believe that on some of these legislation that you actually could
Thank you for your testimony. Members, any questions for this witness?
This is to pass out. Thank you.
Chair calls Steve Bresnan.
Thank you very much.